Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview, December 9th, 2014. Traders, great to be with you, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue sunny skies and white sandy beaches. Nice and cool this morning, doors and windows are open, absolutely beautiful. Traders, don't forget this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator through the market opening preview series and also the Friday wrap-up. As I started trading in 2006 and 2008, I retired from an absolutely wonderful career in a public safety department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, it's 9 days later, I came over to Thailand for a 3-month holiday to celebrate my retirement after 27 years. And, well, traders, I am still here and loving it. I do trade the Forex market every day. Don't necessarily get a trade every day, but I do look for trades and look for opportunities. And always learning every single day. This is a great challenge and opportunity and a great career. All right, let's get over to the legal stuff. This is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Most of all, traders, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, let's head on over to the news and commentary. Traders, we had some Aussie news come out earlier in the Asia session. Not much of a reaction from the Aussie, so nothing really happened there. There's only one other high impact data, and that's manufacturing production coming out of the Great British Pound in the London session. New York session looks quiet. There is a couple of media impacts, but other than that, it's going to be a light data day in that part of the markets. Traders, let's take a look at the numbers at what happened yesterday. All right, take a look at the numbers. The Dow is down 106.31%. The Nasdaq was down 40.07%, and the S&P 500 was down 15.06%. A lot of red out of the U.S. session. The FTSE is down 70.69%. DAX is down 72.13%. The CAC 40 is down 44.00% yesterday. The Euronext 100 was down 7.3%. And the Nikkei 225, which is currently trading, is down 57.89%. The Shanghai is the only one in the green at 18.51%. And the Hang Seng is down 221.56%. Unbelievable. A lot of red in the markets. All right, let's just take real quick in a couple of commodities, and really the only one I want to see is what gold is doing. The gold is up at 7.60%, currently trading at $1,202 per ounce. And of course, oil is down 0.50%, and it's trading at 62.55. And I think I read today in the news today that this is a 5-year low. I think it's a 5 or 10 year low in oil. So we've hit some pretty low lows as far as that goes. Our commentary today is we've been talking about that there was a great possibility that we were going to have a bounce and that all these pairs from Friday's NFP was going to give us quite a pullback. And, well, traders, it absolutely happened. Yesterday, a lot of these pairs moved and took back everything it gained from NFP and took it back yesterday. The pound, the euro Aussie, the euro yen, a lot of them took a lot back from what they took from NFP's profits. Well, they took it all back. And it looks like, as we go into the 60-minute Forex charts, that we are going to start back and heading back into our trend. All right, let's take a look at our chart, starting off with the euro dollar. This is euro dollar, and this is about, it's probably a candle out after the candle that you're seeing on the screen. And it has taken out that trend line that I put in there. I'm just looking for a bullish reason to short this. The issue is I really don't want to short this until the London Open. I don't want to take any trades, to be honest with you, traders, until the London Open and see what kind of direction we're going to get before we get involved with that. All right, let's come over here and take a look at the pound dollar. The pound dollar, I have a trend line in here. It hasn't broken it yet. We're just looking for it to break this trend line. Look at how much it pulled back. It actually took everything out from Friday's NFP, and it just took it all out, and you can see it came up to the 200 exponential moving average and closed just below it at the end of the trading day yesterday, which would be the close of the New York session. And those first 4 candles are the opening of the Asia session. So we're looking for a close below this trend line. Don't know if I'm going to look for a retest. This is the pound. The pound very rarely will give you the retest, so I'm really not expecting that to happen. But I am only looking to short the pound dollar. We do not have a change of trend. This is bearish, so we want to make sure we take sell trades in this today. Take a look at our Aussie dollar. I can't believe how strong and bearish the Aussie dollar is. It just continues to fall and fall and fall. And again, you can see where we're at, and it just is continuing to dump. It's just unbelievable. Entry today is, basically same as yesterday. We're just trying to find a way to get in the trade. How do you get into this trade safely is the question. And I put a resistance line up there. It's the same line from yesterday. There's no change. And I just want to see some kind of a reaction. I do not want to trade on a 1-hour chart into this support. It's reacted twice, and and it's come back up into that range. So now in the middle of, 3/4 into this range, and we need to do something. But we need a pullback. We need this to give us an opportunity to enter and trade this currency pair safely. We might have to go down to a 15-minute chart, and that's a very strong possibility. We'll have to look into that. Here's a Euro Aussie, just a really blowout candle here. Not quite understanding why. That news out of the Aussie was not that powerful. I don't think that was the reason why. I'm really not sure why that candle is so strong when I took this snapshot. However, I am bullish, and I'd like to see this give us some kind of a pullback, a couple of red candles, before the London Open, and that's about 3.5 hours from now. And then we could just take this to the upside. All we want to do is buy this. Okay. Euro yen, take a look at this. Amazingly, look at how many pips it took back yesterday. Absolutely turned around and gave us the pullback. And now we're in this nasty range. And we're stuck at this 38.2 Fibonacci level. And yeah, it's pretty nasty. There's nothing good looking about this chart at the moment. And that's why I have that arrow at 148.91 looking to take this long. I want this to take out that previous high to the left. You can see that wick there. It's right there. Let it take it out and come up and prove to me it wants to continue to the upside and not stay in this nasty range. And of course, we're going to continue to take this. It is still extremely, extremely bullish. Let's talk about the New Zealand dollar. Another pair, just like the Aussie, it is continuing to be bearish. On the daily chart, on this chart, there is no relief in sight. It is just bearish. And again, the hard part is, how do we get into these trades safely? We're in this range, and this is a pretty big range. There's a lot of pips there. But how do you get into this trade when we are 3/4 in this through this range and support is right there? That blue line is support, and we need some sort of a pullback, some sort of. I'd rather it either pull back or break the support line, retest it, and then we'll just take it short. I don't think that's a bad idea either. But hopefully in the next 3 hours, 3.5 hours, that will happen before the London Open, and we'll be able to take this trade. All right, that wraps up our 6 currency pairs. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I thank you for joining me today on the market opening preview on a Tuesday, December 9th, 2014. Traders, have a great trading day, and always remember to trade smart and not hard. Traders, till tomorrow, have a good one, and we'll see you then. Take care now. Bye-bye.